All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute to hop into the video. Today we got quite a bit of a come up. This is probably one of the best secondhand finds I've had in a long time, if not ever. I needed a OEM shifter for my F80. It was like $350, I think, for an OEM one, and everything else is either more expensive or it's not gonna be the same quality. So I found this whole entire box of goodies on OfferUp. It actually wasn't sold together, but I ended up getting a package deal. This whole entire box was like $350, I think. So almost exactly the price of the shifter, but I got this entire box of goodies. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into this and get some F80 stuff out of the way because I've been meaning to put this on. It's been bothering me for a while. I've been waiting for the right moment, and I think today is probably the right moment. So we're gonna unbox this and get you guys to see what I got for the come up and what kind of goodies I got. For the rest of you guys that are familiar with me or the channel, we're trying something new. Got a new tripod, got a new mic. You guys complain about mic quality, so we're gonna try something a little bit different and see if that's hopefully better for you guys. We got quite a bit of updates as well. We're in a new location. I've kind of introduced this. I've lived here for almost a year now, but I've also been MIA for like a year for many reasons that we'll probably possibly get into it a little bit later in this video. We'll get the F80 stuff out the way first, and then towards the end of the video, we'll do more personal stuff, more update stuff, and get you guys some better content. I want to be a little bit more personal with you guys and just record a little bit more of everything instead of just trying to focus so much on the car stuff. That's why there hasn't been much content to begin with, because I haven't been doing much car stuff. So bought a house, got a different job, promotion-ish, whatever. I kind of updated that before I went MIA, but been busy with my promotion, got a house. A lot of other interesting stuff has happened. So now we're going to try to kind of find our way back into this. All right, we're going to do a little bit of an OG unboxing. I know it's a little bit different. We don't really see much of that. We got an OEM F80 M3 steering wheel. All this stuff looks brand new. Needed one of these because my car came with secure orange interior, and I did a speed cloth swap. So the normal leather cars, it's merino leather, or merino, however you say it. And this is Dakota. So speed cloth is Dakota. Mine doesn't match, and it's starting to get a little bit worn. So we're going to get that out the way as well. From doing a bunch of random junkyards and stuff, my door handles got pretty messed up. They're getting old, they're getting worn, they have a bunch of scratches and stuff. So again, all this stuff looks brand new. I got a full set of the leather door handles, which eBay is like $200-300. It's pretty expensive. So I got the full set of 4 for those. And then I got e-brake, which is not that serious, not that important. But again, it's brand new. So it came with it. We got the e-brake for that. And then most importantly, what I really needed was this shifter. So again, everything is literally brand new. So this was $360 from anywhere you go look online. I got this, so it's brand new. All right, to show you guys a little bit more of a close-up, here we have all the stuff. If you actually look at the leather itself, like everything is literally brand new. There's no marking or marring anything. All the stuff is pretty much as new and as close to OEM fresh out the box you can get. There's like 2 indents on the wheel. One right there is so much better condition than the one that's already in my car. So we're gonna go ahead and start swapping this stuff over now. This is the steering wheel that is currently in the car. It has seen quite a bit of wear, and I think I do have like a scratch on it now, which is right here. It's really hard to see. But the seats need to be cleaned. I have the In Performance e-brake. I do not like it. My shifter ran its course and it's seen its time. The center console, it just falls. So we are going to swap these things out. My door handles are, yeah, they're not really the greatest. Same thing, rear seats, everything needs to be cleaned back here. But the door handles are just, you know, not the greatest. So I took both the seats out the car just because I haven't cleaned in a while and had some, yeah, there's a shit ton of stuff in there. So I took the seats out. We're gonna clean the seats outside the car, and then we'll clean the inside of the car, and we'll make it easier to swap the center console. Man, everything reminds me of her. Man, fuck that shit. All right, we're gonna continue to clean this out. Making progress. Yeah, just, I guess we'll keep going, I guess. Man, it is what it is. So this is my main problem, that when I bought the car, it was already like this. This was the center console that came in the car. This spring is supposed to be held down into place. These things are super tight and kind of a pain in the ass to deal with. But you can see right here, the tab that actually is supposed to hold this bottom bracket of the spring, completely broken off. So when it's in the up position, it's supposed to be held. And then the spring is supposed to stay in that position, and it's supposed to slightly levitate down, or whatever the hell you want to say. It's supposed to slightly drop and not just slam. But since there's nothing holding it, it'll just, and that's annoying. So switching it out, besides this is merino leather, and speed cloth is Dakota. So I had to clean the back seat as well. It's super nasty. And I don't know how, but one of my hooks went missing, but luckily I have a replacement. But yeah, this is merino leather, and you can see it's not holding up so well. This came out of my black F80 M3 that had like 75,000 miles at the time. And then I've probably put like another 20 on this car. So it's probably almost got 100,000 miles on it. It's cracked. It's time to be switched out. And it's just not, I mean, obviously the center console's no bueno. So we're gonna swap this out. I don't like in performance. We're gonna go back to OEM. And then I do have some other center console pieces and multimedia things that I've gotten from the junkyard off of a really super clean, low mileage F30. So I'm gonna play around and see what I like and what I don't like. All right, here we go. We got the center console all the way out. Everything's undone. Man, that is a shit ton of wiring. We might have an issue. So this is for, obviously it had automatic in it. Obviously my car was manual. So this hole's a little bit smaller. I don't know if it's gonna fit. It's like a whole fist. It's like so close. It's a little bit more space on this side, but it fits. I'm gonna have to throw it in the car and see if I have enough room to shift for the shifter. If it works, it works. If not, I think we might be okay. I'm not sure though. It's literally 50-50 right now. So let's find out. I gotta take this back out to clean it, but definitely a difference. But luckily with F80, the shifter is so tight, even all the way over and fifth and sixth, there is no issue. So right here, neutral, we have third, fourth, right here, fifth, sixth. So it's even in sixth gear, there is quite a bit of gap. It's never gonna touch. And then of course, obviously all the way over here, reverse lockout. There is so much. That's literally reverse lockout, first, neutral, fifth. So there's not gonna be a problem. It's definitely closer. It's not supposed to be in here, but this is functioning the way it should be. So we're gonna take that. I gotta take it back out and clean it because this is nasty and been sitting. I don't want this in my car. So let's take it back out, clean it, and then we should be good to go. We're so in there. How could depression ever stop me? All right, so we got this swapped over right now. Remember it being much more difficult than it just was. So luckily we are, again, we're in there. So now this is not falling down to its death. I cleaned this up quite a bit. So a lot of this stuff had like oil and residue stains from the junkyard and stuff. So we swapped that in and we got it all cleaned up. Swapped over this armrest. It is different compared to just the F30 one. If you look in, the stitching pattern is just not there. And it's also like slanted off on that side right there. On F80, it is straight back, no slant. And you actually do have a stitching pattern. So that does matter, which I didn't think it did. And the center console also, we had to swap over through that one over there. We had to swap over the aux port and the USB. It has a different plug style on just the aux side. So we swapped it over to the F80 one. Luckily, again, these can just swap out. So finding out that F30 stuff and F80, of course you would think and assume that it is interchangeable. A lot of it is, there's just very slight differences, but luckily I have so many random F30 and F80 things that I've accumulated that all this stuff fits. But just right here, this already looks so much better in the interior. I'm already so much more happy with this. Here we have the stashed F80 goods. So we got quite a bit of things. I know this one is like from the complete super low mileage F30. If I have anything that's nicer to go in the car. So we're gonna go ahead, go through some of this stuff. All right, I'm gonna turn my car into a base model. This center console section is way nicer than mine. This also came off that super low mileage F30. I'm gonna clean it up and get rid of the rest of the stuff, but I think mine has like the slightest bit of marring and marking right here. But the difference is that F80 has this little cushion right here that's part of the leather. F30s do not, so that's the big difference. This is in the F80 one, but it bothers me on my trim that I have these pieces. I think that was for me when I first did anything interior wise, and I try to pop these out and it didn't work. So I didn't know how to pop this out in the beginning. And this was from like 2 years ago. So that is going to be the only real difference. I'm gonna throw it in the car right now and see if it even makes a difference noticeably. And I'm gonna play with it just a tiny bit to see if I mind. I don't think I will, and I don't think most people will ever even notice. Might even just look a little bit cleaner, because there is quite a bit of F30 stuff that is blacked out. They come with all black switches, and on mine, I have the silver, which I would rather have the all black. Federico showed up. We're in the middle of taking the steering wheel out. I got the center console swapped over. Armrest looks beautiful. E-brake looks beautiful. We have the F30 center.
I'm in love with this girl.
Okay. All right, we're gonna take the airbag out. Or my bad, we already took the airbag out. We're gonna take the steering wheel out. We're gonna swap everything over. I've never done one of these swaps so far.
Indy Navarrete. Oh my God. I
don't know.
like a cracker. I can't even.
Who cares? All right, we're gonna take this out and then continue to clean. And then that should be the last main thing that with the swap. Seats are dry now. I'll clean up the carpet a little bit. We'll put the last little pieces together, and then we're gonna take a trip out of town. We're on a crazy bender right now. We're on a road trip. We're in a whole nother city right now. We're in a whole nother state, to be honest.
Unincorporated community.
We just hit the... That shit stinks. We just hit... What the hell did I play? Oh, craps. Blackjack got me good. Craps made it back.
Look, just like that.
Alright, this video is a little bit all over the place once again, but we have the part stalled in the M3, so that stitching, you can already see how much that's standing out, how clean it is. Steering wheel is brand new. One thing I did not notice when I ordered it and didn't pay attention to, this steering wheel is non-heated, so now I have a non-heated steering wheel and also non-heated rear seats. Nice, love that, love downgrading. So we also have the base F30 center console, which I think it looks pretty clean. You're just missing this little pad right here. So I don't have that anymore. It's an F30 console, but it looks super clean and sleek. Same thing, e-brake boot is brand new now. Shifter looks absolutely brand new. Center console right here is absolutely brand new, and it functions as it should. So instead of just slamming shut, like it just slowly will bounce right there and you have to close it yourself. So everything looks so much better. So I put leather protectant on everything. It feels so smooth. It feels so much better to actually drive and steer as well as shift. So super happy with this. We're not done. I didn't put in the door handles or anything else, and the rest of the interior needs a deep clean. I went ahead and cleaned the seats, but you can see on flash, you can see there's still like stains and it looks like there's still stuff on them, but in person they look absolutely flawless. So really gonna have to deep clean it. I think I gotta buy a shampooer again. I think somebody stole mine. I don't know when, where, or how, but I think someone stole my shampooer, so I gotta get another one. But we're coming back from the casino, and I came back from a little bit of a drive. Your boy is absolutely rock bottom going through it, and I have just been basically doing that for an entire year now. So that's why there's no uploads. I don't know how much more to get into it. I don't know when the right time to get into it is. I want to get a video out for you guys. I want to get more content pumping out, and I just want to be back. I want the old me back. I want the old channel back. I'm trying to bounce back, but I'm down tremendously bad. Your boy's rock bottom. Time is ticking on my end. So we're gonna try to make the best of it, and we are going to try to somewhat bounce back. If I can bounce back, wonderful. If I can't bounce back, I will bounce down. If you know what that means, you know what that means. So let's go ahead. Probably end the video off here. I went to film more with Federico and Eduino, but I didn't really film much. I kind of forgot. We were at the casino. I was distracted, and your boy was not feeling the best. F80 got a little bit of love and attention. I'm trying to go to S5X Performance and get crank hub done, get stage 1 tune, and have them go over the car and just see what's needed, because we are 99,000 miles. I bought this car at 74, I believe. It's been 2 years, so I've been just about average 12,000 miles a year. And just bear with me if anybody out there has questions, Q&A, anything that we can do more vlog style or more open, and just kind of get back out there and get into the swing of things. Drop your comments down below. Let me know. I'd love to do a Q&A for you guys. I'd love to do a life update that's just not surrounded by cars, because right now your boy doesn't have that many cars. So a sit down and a talk and a chat, and the life and the mind of just turned 25-year-old last week, and not feeling so hot about that. So if you guys want to just see a little bit more personal, a little bit more vloggy, and get in there, or if you want me to shut the hell up and get back to car content, let me know, because either one we can get back to. I gotta buy another car, so you're actively searching. If anybody has Emola Red E46 M3, E39 M5 that is not insanely or absurd price, please hit me up. If you have Alpine White E46 M3, please hit me up. Only coupes, only manuals, anything cool in between otherwise, or something I can make some money on. Drop that down below, send me the links. Your boy is in the market to either make some cash or buy a beautiful car. So I love you guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Again, drop comments down below. I want to do Q&A, I want to do a life update, and I want to be more open and get some shit out of the way. Maybe it'll make me feel better, get some off my chest. All right, guys, I love you. I'm out of here. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back ASAP. Later, guys.